Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramraj, your subject teacher of maths, and today we have to learn topic comparing numbers. In topic comparing numbers, today we have to solve exercise 1.3. Although I am Aditya Vikramraj from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Today we have to discuss about topic related to comparing numbers. So we have to compare two numbers, and we have to learn also how we can arrange the numbers in descending or ascending. Okay, so let's come on exercise, that is exercise 1.3, and question number 8. Compare each pair of numbers, put greater, smaller or equal in the circle. What you have to do? Compare each pair of numbers and put greater, smaller or equal in the circle. Firstly, there is a number 130 and 133. We know that there is, firstly we have to compare 100 digits. The 100 digits are same. Then we have to compare 10 places, and we know that 3 is greater than 1. So we can say that 133 is greater than 130. In other words, we can say that 114 is smaller than 130. Question number 2. Firstly, 863 and 853. Firstly, we have to compare 100 places. The 100 places are same. Now we have to compare 10 places, and 6 is greater than 5. So we can say that 863 is greater than 853. The next one is 1573 and 1578. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places, these are same. Now we have to compare 100 places, these are also same. Now we have to compare 10 places, these are also same. And now we have to compare 10 places. You can see here that 8 is greater than 3. So we can say that 1578 is greater than 1573. In other words, you can also say that 1573 is greater than 1578. Come on, next question, that is 1120 and 2120. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places, and we can see here that 2 is greater than 1. So we can say that 2120 is greater than 1120. In other words, you can also say that 1120 is smaller than 2120. The next one is 2618 and 2790. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places. These are same. Now we have to compare 100 places. And now 7 is greater than 6, so we can say that 2790 is greater than 2680. In other words, we can also say that 2618 is smaller than 2790. In question number 6, 5401 and 6411. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places. So we can say here that 6 is greater than 5. So we can say that 6411 is greater than 5401. In other words, you can say that 5401 is smaller than 6411. Now come on question number 7, 7840, 7840. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places, these are same. Now we have to compare 100 places, these are also same. Now we have to compare 10 places, these are also same. And now we have to compare 1 places, these are also same. So we can say that 78,830 is equal to 7,830. Okay. Now we have to come on question number 8. And this number is 8,592 and this is 9,582. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places, and 9 is greater than 8, so we can say that 9,582 is greater than 8,592. And in the other words, you can say that 8,592 is smaller than 9,582. And in next, there is 9,992 and 9,792. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places, these are same. Now we have to compare 100 places, these are 9 is greater than 7. So we can say that 9,992 is greater than 9,790. Come on, next question, that is 9003 and 9008. Firstly, we have to compare 1000 places, these are same. Now we have to compare 100 places, these are also same. And now we have to compare 10 places, both are also same. And now we have to compare 1 places. So we can say that 8 is greater than 3. So we can say that 9008 is greater than 9003. In other words, you can also say that 9003 is greater than 9008. Now come question number B, circle the smallest number in each group. We have to circle the smallest number in each group. Firstly, we have to find which number is smallest and we have to circle it. 3205, 4289, 3526 and 3010. You know that this is 3205, 4289, 3526 and 3010. So firstly we have to compare 1000 places and 1000 places. In this number the 1000 places are same and that is 4, so we can say that 4089 is greater in all. But which is smallest? So we can say that 3010 is smaller in all. 3010 is the smallest in all, because this place value are smallest, this place value is smallest in the number. Okay, so we can say that 3010 is smaller in all. In second question, 1080, 1800, 1008 and 8000. So now we have to consider the number 1080, 1800, 1008 and 8000. Which one is smaller? You know that the place value of 1008 is the smallest in all, so we can say that 1008 is the smallest in all. Okay, so we can say that 1008 is the smallest number in all. Next is 9129, 9291, 1299 and 9921. We know that in this number 1299 is smaller because the place value of 1299 is the smallest in all. Okay, and the next one is 1199, 1999, 9101 and 1991. So we can say that 1199 is smaller in all because the place value of 1199 is the smallest. Okay. Come on, next question, that is circle the biggest number in each group. We have to circle the biggest number in each group. That is number 651 to 2162, 6250 and 1265. Which one is greater? You know that is 6000. Okay, so we can say that 6250 is greater because the place value of 6250 is greatest. Okay. In this number 5882, 3678, 8249 and 8924. In this number 8924 is greater because the place value of 8924 is greatest. Okay. Now come on question number next. 6160, 6061, 6610, 6110. In this number, you can say that 6610 is greater because the place value of 6610 is greatest. Okay, and the next number is 9911, 9991, 1190 and 9190. In this number, 9991 is greater because the place value of 9991 is greatest. Okay. The next question is rewrite a numbers in ascending order. Ascending means we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. Then the numbers are 1375, 375, 3175 and 7153. We know that the place value of 7153 is greatest, so that is greater number. So in 375 there are 3 digits, so we can say that 375 is smaller in all. Okay, and after that there will be 1375, 1375, and after that there will be 3175, and the next will be 7153. Okay, and in next that is 4586, 5586 and 2586 and 5658. In this number, which number is smaller? That is 4500, 5586 and 2500, 5658. We can see here that 2586 is the smallest. So we have to write firstly 2586. And after that, what will be? And after that there will be 4586. 4586. And what will be after that? There will be 5586. 5586. And after that 5658. Okay. And the next one is you have to write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means you have to arrange this number in greatest to smallest. So firstly we have to find greatest number. 3450, 345, 5430 and 4350. We know that 5430 is greater in all. So firstly we have to write 5430. And after that there will be 4350. 4350. And the next will be 3450. And the next 345. And in question number next, that is 7432, 7732 and 7237 and 2377. Firstly we have to write 7432 because and 7732 because the place value of 7732 is greater in all. And after that we have to write 7442 and next will be 7237, sorry 7377 and 7237. Okay, this is arranged in descending order. And now the rest of the question are question number D and E. You can solve them from seeing example and explanation. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Keep support me.